Faces rape and sodomy charges. Greene County Prosecutor Dan Patterson received a report from the Greene County Medical Examiner, which led to the new charges. Lindsay Klein is here tonight to explain. Lindsay?
David, Jen, I have a copy of the new charges here in my hands. In addition to these new charges, Wood is also facing first-degree murder and kidnapping charges. It was on February 18th that 10-year-old Haley Owens was snatched while walking just blocks away from her home. Her body was found just hours later at Craig Wood's home.
The family is doing their best to take everything in stride.
Attorney David Ranson represents the Owens family.
They're very thankful for all the help they've gotten from family and friends, and especially the community, because this is a crime that they realize that affects not just them or their family, but the entire community.
Individuals convicted of first-degree rape are required to be sentenced to life in prison without eligibility for probation and parole until the defendant has served 30 years. The same goes for first-degree sodomy charges.
I don't know that these charges actually will affect the trial overall. It's just additional information that's being gathered for everything that goes into the whole picture.
Criminal defense attorney Will Worsham is not involved in the case, but says it's common for prosecutors to file amended charges as a case progresses.
Well, the new charges obviously add a layer of complexity to the case, one that makes it seem more heinous in the fact that the victim now appears to be allegedly sexually abused, raped, and sodomized.
Greene County Prosecutor Dan Patterson has not yet decided whether he will pursue the death penalty against Wood. Ranson says the Owens family has a long road ahead.
They're going to be going through a roller coaster during this entire process, and there's going to be periods of activity and gaps of nothing happening. But each time there's an activity, like the various hearings, it reopens the wounds, and so it is very difficult for them to deal with that.
And Wood is scheduled to be back in court on Thursday. Also today there was a hearing on House Bill 2248 in Jefferson City. That bill, sponsored by Republican Representative Eric Burleson, aims to change the laws regarding the Amber Alert system and establishes Haley's Law. Guys.
All right, Lindsay, thanks. In less than 2 hours.